Blue Security has positioned itself in the heart of the Durban community. With the recent spate of crime levels on the increase in South Africa, Blue Security heeded the call of law enforcement and the community by launching a dedicated patrol vehicle in the Westville North area. With many communities reporting an increase in crime, Blue Security became proactive and sponsored this dedicated patrol van to the Westville North area.
We stepped up to the plate and really said to the community, let's make a difference. And hence the day today where we are launching a dedicated vehicle into the Westville North area to make a difference for our community.
What they decided to do was give a dedicated vehicle to this area because of the crime. That was nothing to do with whether they got the contract as an SRA or not, which is a really nice thing, I think, for them to have done, to go to the expense for their customers in this area because we had rampant crime. Since then, of course, what's happened is we've had the Metro Police, we've had the municipality get involved, and it's cut down our crime quite a bit. But again, I'll say it's very nice that Blue was able to sponsor this vehicle with a patrolman that is only dedicated to this area to help us with the rampant crime in the Westville North area.
We know from experience in all of our projects that community policing or high visibility community policing really plays a major positive role towards preventing crime in a community. There's a lot of volunteers in the area heavily involved in patrols, so this provides an additional layer of support for them. And just gives them peace of mind knowing that they've got full backup 24/7 in the area.
Communities just like Westville North can rest assured that their safety is of primary importance. Today's initiative is just one of many such initiatives spearheaded by Blue Security in empowering the communities with tools to be effective eyes and ears of the community and being part of the solution.